Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. We got two unboxings in one video. The 2026 M5 Macbook Air, two different colors. And right before I bought these, right after, Apple increased the price of these MacBooks $200 to $300. Let's get into it. Let's look at all and talk through everything. Peace. All right, so let's jump right into it. We're gonna be unboxing two MacBook Airs. Move these things to the side right here. A nice, clean, open spaces. This one just got delivered in today. Right here, let's look at which color that is. Okay, got my stuff over there. Okay, we don't need any of this stuff. So this is the Starlight MacBook Air. This feels like an iPad box. Look at over here in this angle. Over here, MacBook Air, super thin, super awesome. Let's go and grab the other one. Here we've got the MacBook Air M5 as well, but in the Starlight, in the sky blue. I've never owned any of these computers. I actually have the one I'm using right now to manage all these things. It's a M4 Pro MacBook Pro, 48 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte space. These are the default configurations. This is well, I'll just read you the specs, actually. M5 chip, standard, 16 gigs memory, 512 gigabyte storage, 13-inch MacBook Air. And what about the blue one over here? Guys, same thing. M5 chip, 16 gigs memory, 512 gig. This is what you can pick up off the shelf. Guys, I got a special, this is not sponsored by Best Buy, but I picked these up at Best Buy. They had a tech flash sale. Those things are real. Some people think they're not. They're definitely real. If Best Buy throws a sale, you go get it. I picked these up for each $949 each. Right now, if you want to go pick up this configuration at Apple, it's $1,300 to $1,400. Same computer. Best Buy really did an awesome deal here. So let's go ahead and unbox the Starlight one first, and I'll put this one to the side. And let's focus on this one right now, okay? I already took off the pull tabs bottom. Let me just go lift this one up. Wow, that's beautiful. There you go. You guys can see it right here. Awesome. Nothing inside this area. Well, there's like a circle here, but who knows why. So I don't need that anymore. Let's take out. Oh my gosh. Guys, you don't appreciate how thin this is until you have it in your hands. This feels like an iPad. And for me, I'm a businessman. I do travel, I business, I do a lot of things. Having a Mac this thin, I'm envious because I don't know if I'm gonna keep this Mac for myself. I got some special people in my life I might gift these to. But my personal / business Mac is really thick. You know, it's clunky, but this Air just feels incredible. If you haven't gone to a store to experience it, highly recommend it. This is the MagSafe right here, USB-C to MagSafe right here. You guys can take a look at it right here as well. Put this right here to the side. What else is in the box? You got this pamphlet, you know, how to use your Mac, how to turn it on. No stickers, guys. So sad. This era of stickers. If you didn't know Apple gave stickers before, you're too young. To all the OGs, you know, it's a big mess. And then this, we have one last piece in the box. I think this is the 40-watt charger. 40 watt. My M4 Pro MacBook Pro brought me actually I don't see it around here, 100-watt charger. This is 40. Should be enough for the MacBook Air. So let's go ahead and put that away. Guys, now for the start of the show. This is incredibly thin. I can't do this with my Mac that I have on my desk. Incredibly thin. Let's open her up. She just slides out. Oh my gosh. I did not know I was gonna love this blue so much. Wow. This feels like an iPad. This feels like the moment when Steve Jobs pulls out the iPad from the envelope. This is so thin. And he also did it with the Air too. This is incredible. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Again, look, I'm geeking out because my M4 Pro is a beast. You know, my MacBook Pro is a beast. It runs through all my apps, .NET projects, JavaScript, React projects, Xcode projects, like nothing. But this feels special. My MacBook Pro feels heavy as hell. You know, it feels super, super heavy. So I'm gonna put this also to the side over here so we can unbox the Starlight version. Again, this is 2-in-1. In one video, you're getting 2 unboxings, okay? And this one's with the full experience. We have the green pull tabs. Let's do it together. Shh. Let's listen closely here. Let's go right here. Oh my gosh, I love that sound. Okay. Now this is the side over here too. Everyone loves to hear this, so let's listen in right here. Ah. Beautiful. All right. Let's lift her up. And guys, we already know what's inside this box. It's the same thing. It's color matched. It's a color matched cable. This one is the Starlight color. This is the blue light version. Here is it side by side. So you guys can see the difference. So you guys can choose your favorite one. Put that over here, put that over there, put that over there too. Again, same box, same brick. This is not color matched, all the same from the other one. The only thing color matched, again, is the cables, okay? So we got all the boring stuff out of the way. Put that here, put that here. Let's get rid of this. We'll have someone clean that up here in a second, but it's awesome. Just put these side by side here. Again, let's do the part everyone loves the most. Let's just open up this. That's incredible, guys. So here we have Apple's greatest computers 2026, which came out on March 11th. This is a few months old, and these are such. Look how beautiful it is. On video, I'm seeing it on my screen. It looks a little more darker, but these are really light colors. There you go. You can see the difference. You know how the color changes depending on the angle. Same thing with this one here. Look at that. That's fantastic. So we're gonna continue here. We just open these up. I'm gonna run and set these up real quick. All right, guys, so these 2 machines are here. You just saw the unboxing. Let me know, comment, like, subscribe below. Let me know if you wanna see me do a comparison video versus the M5 Air versus the M4 Pro that I use here as a workforce machine to see, you know, should you get a Pro machine, should you get an Air machine? Let me know your thoughts down below. Subscribe for more, and I hope you enjoy these videos, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, ciao, ciao.